Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen, my passion. So today we are going to make most popular bread, pav. So let's get started. Take 1 cup warm milk, add 2 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, mix it well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, add 3 cup refined flour or maida, sieve it properly. Now add half teaspoon salt, mix it, make a well in the center. After 10 minutes you can see yeast is also formed. Yeast should be formed like this. Add sugar and yeast mixture little by little and knead this dough till everything is combined together. This process will take at least 10 to 15 minutes. Dough will be sticky in starting, but after kneading it will be fine. So don't add any flour in this stage. Add 1 tablespoon butter and knead this dough for at least 8 to 10 minutes. You can see dough is super soft. When you poke your finger, it will spring back. It means your dough is ready. Now grease bowl with oil and place dough in it. Apply some oil on dough and cover it. Keep this dough at warm place for fermentation at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, dough is fermented well. You can see dough is risen so well, almost double in size. Punch the dough and remove excess air. Transfer our dough on flat surface or rolling board and cut into equal portion. See the small air pockets in dough? This is a sign of good dough. Take 1 portion and tuck it or roll it like this. Similarly, prepare all the balls. Place all the balls in greased baking tin. Again cover it with wet cloth and keep it aside for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you see our pav bun is proofed well. Meanwhile preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Pav is ready to bake. Now brush with some milk. Now bake this pav at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Pav is ready. It looks so good. Now brush with some butter. This process is so important for making soft pav and cover it with wet cloth for 10 to 15 minutes. Now demold our pav. Let me show you the texture of pav. Wow, it looks so awesome. See the sponginess of pav? I love it. Enjoy this soft and spongy pav. And if you like my recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for regular update. Thank you.